Everything begins here. Before we even notice the dirt in our own homes, the natural world has already absorbed the consequences of everything we wash away. The garbage we throw, detergents and bleach that we rinse away, wastewater we discard, none of them truly disappears. They only disappear from our view. Across cities, farms, businesses, kitchens, and commercial facilities, everyday waste silently finds its way back into the soil, our water sources, the air, and the environment that sustains us. Here's the inconvenient truth. These chemicals, grease, and wastewater come from everyday cleaning in every home, office, and business. They harm the environment, and prolonged exposure to their fumes can also impact our health. We keep our homes sparkling clean, but unknowingly harm ourselves and the home we all share. So we offer ECOSOL Organix bio-enzyme, a powerful all-natural cleaning solution rooted in science and nature. ECOSOL's natural fermentation process produces potent, naturally derived enzymes that break down harmful pathogens. It is not just a deodorizer, it is an odor buster, eliminating odor at its source. Laboratory tests show that it kills most known germs and fungi within 5 minutes of exposure. In the kitchen, ECOSOL amazingly neutralizes strong odors, even from cooking seafood. For grease traps, just spray or soak after scooping out the sludge and cleaning with soap and water. In toilets and baths, ECOSOL neutralizes ammonia and bacteria right at the source. Just spray on spills and leave to dry. You won't have to worry about that strong, pungent odor, especially in heavily used toilets. For garbage, ECOSOL accelerates the breakdown of organic waste and neutralizes foul smells, from spoiled food to fermented trash. For pet owners, pet shops, and veterinary facilities, ECOSOL safely removes animal waste odors without harming animals. You can also use ECOSOL at public markets and slaughterhouses after the initial cleaning and draining with water for a safer and more eco-friendly sanitation. It also dries out and kills fly eggs before they develop into larvae. At concentrated doses, it can kill flies, mosquitoes, and ants, and drive away cockroaches. ECOSOL is simple and versatile. Wipe, spray, soak, or pour, safe for humans. Safe for pets. Safe for nature. ECOSOL is 100% biodegradable and non-toxic.